My overreaction. yeah. Overreaction. So we've got McDonald's. And McDonald's. Once a mighty building stood, now it's dead. So we'll keep an eye on the whole thing. It's going to keep me going for a while yet, actually, think about it, because this lot's coming down as well, as far as I know. As far as I know, that'll be interesting. Maybe I should make, I've just had an idea, I should make a hide, you know, so that people don't annoy me when I'm filming, like some kind of hide. Hey! Tatty Billies! Great! Well, Tatty Billies, brilliant. Thank you for the peep, it's much appreciated. Yeah, it's a bit worrying that then. So I read this, I need to look it up. It was about people videoing accidents. So let's say that I'm standing here and somebody has an accident. I mean, I don't think it's videoing it. No, I think it's putting it on the internet. Because how could it possibly be? Yeah, it's actually actively putting it. I think it must be that. Because at the same time they're always asking for dashcam footage, aren't they, the police, and they're always asking for sort of thing. So I think it's what you do with it is what matters. So we'll need to look that up. We'll need to find out about that. And that way the ignorance won't be my defence then, won't it?